is how to reactivate Amazon FBA suppressed or suspended listing due to poor returns. Let's compose the email now. Respected Sir, Madam. Before writing anything, we want to apologize to you that due to XYZ issue, an honest Amazon customer had to suffer. We have checked the listing and found the reason that the customer is returning the particular SN because of XYZ issue. This is our top selling and most reviewed product, and we are also spending money on sponsored ads. The product is at 3 warehouses, XYZ, XYZ, and XYZ. Ad surpassing will lead us to more loss. Steps taken to avoid the issue in future. 1. We will check all the product properly before sending it to Amazon FBA. 2. We have updated the image in the product gallery so that customer can order accordingly. We are really sorry as we're not at all aware of the issue. I personally assure you that after updating XYZ issue, we will not get more returns due to XYZ issue. We humbly request you to please give us a last chance for this particular listing so that we can satisfy the needs of the customer. If you want a soft copy of email, then let me know. And if you find it informative, then share it with others.